Hey, you guys, happy November. Woo, the year is almost over. So this is still Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so I wanted to share a video with you on how to promote your business for free, your notary business, any type of business for free. I am telling you, sometimes we have to go back in history and it still works, right? So definitely I'm on Google, and guess what platform that you can promote your business absolutely free, right? Absolutely free. I know as we start to build our businesses and we're on a tight budget and we can't sign up for all of these other platforms that's going to cost, money each month, we definitely can use good old what? Craigslist. Yes, it still works. People are still shopping on Craigslist. People are still reaching for Craigslist for any type of services. And so definitely I'm in Covington, Kentucky, and it's at the peak almost to Cincinnati, Ohio. So I'm going to go on Cincinnati Craigslist. And so let's go ahead. I'm going to talk about just a notary business, any type of businesses. You definitely can go to like services and just look at all of the services people are putting out there absolutely free. We're talking about notary. Look at this. Somebody already November 2nd. So today they already promoted their notary mobile business. So let's look at this. And it talks about their state of Ohio. So you can look at your state. I know I'm a state of Kentucky. So I can pretty much really format or really just look what they're putting out. And then I can really promote my business as well on the same platform for the state of Kentucky. See, provide mobile notary service in Ohio, acknowledgement, affidavit, annulment, closing, refinancing, divorce, power of attorney, vehicle titles and wills, etc. Normal notary fees apply, process services, additional fee. So, hey, this is another stream of income. If you're thinking about being a process server as well, I cannot provide legal advice nor draft documents. I love that. Let them know up front, like, look, notary are not supposed to give legal advice. We're not attorneys. And then they also put their traveling fees as follow. 0 to 30 miles is one way is $35, 31 the 60 miles is $65, and 61 plus miles is $150. Because I know some of us are just saying, okay, what should we charge about the mileage? But look, here's something that you can really use an example to figure out how you want to create your business. But check this out. Additional fees apply of $30 between. Look, so this is like after hours, they're applying an additional fee. So that's good to know. And then look, cash, credit, or debit accepted, please call 513. So this is definitely great to promote any type of business, especially if you're a notary and you really do not have the resources to, be a monthly member or the membership fee for any other notary platforms. But this is just great. So I thought I'd share with you guys that this is absolutely free. All you have to do is create an account, and then post your information. So let's go back. Let's go back a little bit. So even you can go in here and look for, maybe research for a realtor and see if a realtor out there that you can just inbox them, say, hey, I seen your ad on Craigslist and I am a notary signing agent. And if you need my help in the future, I'm available for you. So let's go see if, I'm gonna type in realtor. And, you can look through all these and see if, look, want to sell your house but don't know how. Maybe you can reach out to them and say, hey, I was just letting you know if you need a notary signing agent when you buy homes and need to close, I'm here for you. So you can just look on there. I just wanted to show you briefly on how you can use Craigslist to promote your business absolutely free. Craigslist is still doing some things, you guys. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Make sure that you look in the comments. Make sure that you get my free financial family emergency financial toolkit. Definitely, I'm also a financial coach, and I definitely want you to make sure that you have all your important documents in place by the end of the year. So just go to my website, hayesfinancialcoaching.com, and grab your free gift. And I will see you guys on the next video. Let's try this again. This is actually, look, here goes some more. Mobile Notary, October the 7th, Notary Republic. So they constantly can promote, you know, different things. So definitely look, traveling notary. People are using this platform, so don't sleep on it. Alrighty. Again, I would talk to you guys later. This is just great. See, I can't even close this. This is just